Welcome back in X classes. So students, this is your mathematics class with Nitika Sharma. Students, today we will take class 9th basic geometry of chapter 6 lines and angles. In this class, we will discuss all basic definition which is related to geometry and which we will use in all geometry chapters in 9th as well as 10th class. So students, start with the basic definitions. First definition is line, which has no end point. Line is a length which has no end points and we can produce indefinitely in both direction. This is the representing sign of line. We can write a line AB and this mark is represent that a line AB we can produce from both ends. So we can write line AB like this only. Line segment, a part of line with two end points. A part of line with two end points. That's why we do not put mark here like this, because end points are there and we cannot produce this line further. So student, line segment is a part of line which has two end points. Ray, a part of line with one end point. It means in our ray we have one end points and one part of one side of a line is available to produce. We can produce it. So we can represent this line like this, one end point with one arrow. Collinear points. Students always confuse with collinear points. So learn this definition today. If three or more points, more than three, if three or more than 3 points lie on a same straight line, then we call them as collinear points. If 3 points, point A, B, C, they are presenting on a same straight line, then we call them as collinear points. If we have one more point D which is not present on this line, it means these 4 points are not collinear to each other because this D is not present on this straight line. Next definition is angle. When two rays originated from the same endpoint, you know ray, we learned just 1 minute ago. When two rays are originated from a same endpoint, we have one ray OA as well as OB. They are originated from the point O. The ray making an angle are called the arms. The ray making an angle are called the arms. And endpoints is called vertex of the angle. O is the vertex of the angle. OA, OB are the arms of the angle. OA, OB are called the arms of the angle and O is the vertex of angle. This is the definition of angle. Now we will discuss type of angles. First one is acute angle. Acute angles are those angles in which measure of the angle is always greater than 0 but less than 90 degree. It means these type of angles are present in the first quadrant of geometry. Right angles whose measure is 90 degree. Whose measure of the angle is 90 degree, we call it as right angle. This represent is this straight line. Obtuse angles. Angles we call obtuse whose measure is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, or we can say that those angles are lie between 90 and 180, then we call them as obtuse angle. It means it is present here in second quadrant. Straight line angle. When the measurement of any angle is directly 180 degree, then we call it as straight line angle, because we know it very well. This is a straight line and the complete angle on this straight line is 180 degree. Reflex angle. Reflex angle is the angle which is less than greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, which is less than 360 degree and greater than 180 degree. So they are the simple 5 type of angles. We have another type of angles like corresponding angles, alternative angles. We will discuss later. And now next 2 type of angles are complementary angles and the supplementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. Students, like I gave you example 30 degree and ask a question that what is the complementary angle of 30 degree. So which angle add in 30 degree give us as 90? So we will add 60 degree in 30 degree give us as 90 degree. So 60 degree is the complementary angle of 30 degree. So when sum of two angles are 90 degree, then we call them complementary angle for each other. Similarly, when sum of the two angles is 180 degree, then we call them as supplementary angles for each other. So if the question is what is the supplementary angle of 120 degree, when we will add 60 in 120 degree, it give us 180 degree. So definitely 60 degree is the supplementary angle of 120 degree. So student, next definition is adjacent angles. Two angles are adjacent if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and their known common arms on the either side of the common arm. It means when two angles are adjacent if they have a common vertex and a common arm and the known common arm which is present on the either side of a common arm. It means two angles adjacent तब होते हैं when we have a common vertex and a common arm and two arms which are present on the opposite side of a common arm. They are present on the opposite side of the common arm. So this is a pair of adjacent angle. There is a next definition, linear pair. Linear pair is a special case of adjacent angle. Linear pair is a special case of adjacent angle. If known common arms are present opposite to each other completely, in it sum of the angles are 180 degree. This is a pair of adjacent angle, but the difference is these two known common arms which are present on the either side of common arm, they are completely opposite to each other and they are making a straight line, and the sum of these two angles now 180 degrees. So we call it as linear pair. Students, tell me one thing, if I will draw another angle here, angle 3. Now what is the name of angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3? They are linear pair? No. In pair we have only two things. So now we call them as sum of all three angles are 180 degree and we call them as straight line angle. Next one is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect each other at a point, then angle opposite to each other is equal. When two lines are intersecting each other, then the angle opposite to a common vertex is called vertically opposite angle and they are equal to each other. So students, they are the basic definitions which are present in our all geometry chapters. Hope you like it. So more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel X Classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.